They aren't bad at the task, they're brilliant at making you do it for free. Silent fixes breed permanent leeches. It is 6 p.m. The office is emptying. Your inbox pings. A shared document from a colleague arrives. It is unfinished. It is butchered. The data is wrong. The formatting is broken. You stare at the screen. The exhaustion sets in. You do the math in your head. Confronting them takes an hour of arguing. Fixing it yourself takes 45 minutes. You sigh. You open the file. You stay late. You fix their mess in the quiet glow of your monitor. You tell yourself it is just this once. You tell yourself it protects the team. You are lying to yourself. You are not protecting the team. You are training a parasite. Let us examine the pathology of what you just did. Every time you quietly fix their errors, you eliminate the friction of their failure. You act as their unpaid safety net. You teach their nervous system a highly effective, highly dangerous lesson. You prove to them that incompetence is a legitimate delegation strategy. Why should they learn the software? Why should they check the data? If they do it poorly enough, your anxiety will force you to do it for them. Chanakya understood this rot in human nature. Over 2 millennia ago, he orchestrated the fall of corrupt empires. He built the Mauryan dynasty on a foundation of absolute accountability. He knew that vague responsibilities breed cowards. He knew that shared duties create shadows where the lazy hide. Today, we apply his ancient framework to your modern office. You will learn the precise mechanical sequence to isolate a corporate leech. You will force them to execute, or you will force them to fail openly. The choice will belong entirely to them. Let us dissect the anatomy of this manipulation. They use a tactic known as strategic ineptitude. It is quiet. It is subtle. They miss a small detail on a slide. They leave out a glaring variable in a spreadsheet. They look at you with blank, confused eyes. They say they just do not understand the system. They say you are so much faster at it. Do not confuse their laziness with stupidity. It is calculated. They know your tolerance for mediocrity is lower than theirs. They weaponize your own work ethic against you. They know you will break first. You absorb their stress. They go home to their families. You stay until 9 p.m. ordering takeout at your desk. How long will you subsidize their salary with your own sanity? Are you a professional or are you a host? Chanakya saw this weakness. His solution was ruthless, uncompromising clarity. He forced his ministers to issue precise, singular instructions written on palm leaves. Written, attributed, permanent. No minister could claim ignorance. No scribe could hide behind the collective effort of a group. Modern social psychology confirms this ancient doctrine perfectly. It relies on the identifiability effect. When a task is vaguely assigned to a group, individual effort collapses. Science calls this social loafing. But the second a specific, measurable outcome is tied publicly to one single name, social loafing dies. The primal fear of public exposure overrides the comfort of laziness. You must implement the palm leaf lockdown. The era of the private fix is over. You will no longer accept vague group assignments. You will never again fix a colleague's deliberate error in a private direct message. You must pull the disease into the light. From this moment forward, every shared task shifts to a public email thread. You include the project manager. You include the key stakeholders. You write a brutal, singular demand. You strip away the polite corporate fluff. You type this exact sentence. You own X, deliverable by 2 p.m. Friday. Let me know if you foresee a hard failure. Send it. Let the silence hang in the inbox. You have just drawn a chalk outline around their responsibility. You have removed the shadows. If they fail now, they fail in public. If they act confused, the entire room watches them pretend to be incompetent. You have forced the identifiability effect onto their shoulders. Have you ever stayed late to fix a coworker's deliberate mistake? Type yes or no in the comments below. Understand this harsh reality. Competence is a direct threat to the lazy. When you stop covering for them, they will panic. They will call you difficult. They will say you are not a team player. Let them talk. A team pulls together. A parasite just feeds. To master the exact verbal framework for shutting down their complaints when they finally get caught, click the video on your screen right now.